Hello friends, welcome to Dedicated Code. This video is all about how we can able to install Python in Ubuntu. We had a lot of requests regarding installation of Python. We already done the pin installation. So if you want, we have given a link in the description that helps you to switch in between multiple Python versions. Now, this video is all about Python installation in Ubuntu. The process and the steps already given in the description, but we always recommend watch this video first and then step by step perform the Python installation. The process is very simple. Let's begin the installation. Very first, to install the Python, we will first update the repositories. Okay, so to update the repositories, we can able to use this command. So Ubuntu repositories get updated. After successful repository updates, we can able to run this command. Let me clear the screen. After downloading the latest version of Python, it is now time to use dead snakes PPA to install Python. To do this, very first, we need to mention packages on your system by typing the command and enter. After that, we need to add official deadnix PPA to our system repository list. To do this, we can able to use this command, and once done, it is time for enter last time. Now we will update our repositories again. Here, before moving towards the last step, we always has to make sure that which version should we want it to install. To install the latest version, here it is the file. See here, all the version list are given here, and the latest versions are here. In our case, it is 3.11 because this is under development. So we will install 3.11. You don't need to remember the last digit. Okay, so let's start and hit enter. You can see Python installation has been started successfully. It will ask for the permission, say yes. Now our installation of Python has been completed. Now it is time to verify whether our installation has been completed. To verify it, we can able to use this command to check the version of Python. And here you can able to see that our Python installation has been successfully completed. Now the question, how to upgrade our Python to a latest version? To do this, we just need to run this command and hit enter. So in this case, we have already upgraded. While installing, we already chosen the latest version, so it is not required to upgrade. But in case in future, if any new updates come, you can able to use this command, and this is way you can able to install, upgrade the Python.